Hi, good evening. Welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and it's September 21, and we are looking at Sensex 60,000 levels. A lot many people ask that Sensex is at such dizzy heights or Nifty is at its peak. So what needs to be done? So we have tried to bring you this presentation where we are looking at the options available to you in BC and AC. Earlier these were known as before Christ and after Christ. Now it is known as before Corona and after Corona respectively for investment perspective. So we have seen that Sensex has touched 60,000 level and it has reached this peak over a period of 22 years. A lot many people are worried that they have missed the bus and how they are going to see their investments prosper. Then a word for them is that a bus always keep moving in stock market. There is always one or the other bus ready to move in the market, and you just need to board under the guidance of a correct financial advisors. It can be anyone. It can be us or it can be any other advisory services. So don't get panicked, and nothing has happened so far. All is well. Just remember the three idiots dialogue, all is well, and good will also come back to you. So through this video, IndianShareTips.com is trying to answer your all the queries so that you are on the right path even if you have not entered in the market for the time being and you are worried that stock market is already at its peak. In our previous video we had acknowledged this fact that Evergrande crisis is not going to affect the global markets to a great extent because they have a land bank, whereas Lehman Brothers crisis time they did not have anything at their disposal as a backup, and China being a closed economy, they will be able to manage this disaster of Evergrande effectively. So our readings and learning out of this are that Sensex has given a 12% CAGR oblique annualized returns. CAGR stands for compounded annual growth rate. It means that market investments have multiplied the investors' capital by 12 times in the last 22 years. This return is much better than all other comparable asset class, and remember, equity market gives you full liquidity at any given point of time. Say if you are in property, you are locked for good till the time you get a seller. If you are in a fixed deposit, you are locked because if you break the FD, you are going to lose on the interest component as they are going to give you a penalty on breaking a FD earlier. So your post returns will be much lower as compared to equity class. We are not asking you here to put your complete capital in equity. Remember that investment in equity is by a thumb rule, which is 85 minus your age. Or if you still want to go on a higher bracket, you can say 100 minus your age. So if your age is 30, 100 minus 30, which means that you can put 70% of your capital oblique investments in the equity and 30% in the fixed deposits oblique other means for giving a diversification to the portfolio. And if say somebody is a senior citizen at 60, then 100 minus 60, that is he can only invest 40% in equity class and balance 60% he should have in fixed deposit or other assets where he can get some fixed sort of income. So this rule should be clear to one and all for the investment purposes. So our opinion is that if you have not yet invested, don't worry, don't fret over it, don't waste your time, and start over your investments in equity market as a systematic investment plan, or if you have some bulk coming, you can straight away go for investment. Systematic investment plan helps you get the price in a proper manner where it gets averaged out. So you have to identify the correct shares in which you want to invest and then start investing equivalent amount every month. So if you have not yet started investing, just be optimistic, have faith, gather courage and invest in the stock market with the long term perspective if you don't want to get into intraday. Long term investment always favors the investor because time always acts in the favor of the investor and gets you good returns. If you remember, during Corona times, Nifty had fallen to 7,500 levels, and today, exactly after 1 year and say 4-5 months, Nifty has gained another 10,300 points from its low, and it has reached a peak of 17,800, breaking all the previous highs it has achieved during the previous times. So you have to give time to the investment, don't get panicked, and get into your identified shares through your financial advisors. We are not saying that you have to start with the IndianShareTips.com. You can choose any of the subscriber financial advisor and go with them. Only benefit with us is that we have been in business for long and we have tens of thousands of free articles on our website for you to help to get started free of cost. Also, we can say that jab jago tab savera, so no time is late, and as and when you get bonus or you get some additional accruals, you can start with the systematic investment plan. We will not suggest that you get a hang of mutual fund because their charges gets very high, and same due diligence can be undertaken by you in the form of SIP. Some can say that we should have entered at X point of time and my investments would have grown to Y times. Don't worry, because emotions cannot be back tested. You never know if you had invested that time and you had to go through the time of the Corona, and when your investment would have fallen by 50 to 60%, and if you are in a dud stock, it may have fallen by approximately 100%, then you would have been shaken badly. Bear markets always look like lost opportunities, and future ones are scary because future is not known to anyone. So you need to have faith, courage, and have decisive faith in your financial advisor to get started. There is no harm in paying to the financial advisor because they are like the doctors. If you can pay to a doctor, pay to financial analyst also, because he is looking after your finances and he will help you get the best returns. So do revisit your existing investments or investing strategies and sectors and strategies of before Corona BC may not work now, and you will have to look for the sectors which are going to become the sunshine sector in after Corona period, that is in AC period. So we hope that you have liked our video. We will request you to share the same and spread this knowledge and wisdom with your friends and colleagues, and also coax them to get the best returns through equity market. As this is the only market which can get you the best returns, we have given you the formula how much percentage you have to put in the equity market, which is as per your age profile. So if you like our video, please remember to subscribe to the channel and do spread the word, give it a thumbs up, do leave a comment, and remember that if you don't have sufficient capital to get started for investment, then you can make money in Indian stock market with a small capital of 5,000 to 10,000 in Bank Nifty option. We are the best Bank Nifty option tips providers in India, and our clients are making money on a daily basis. There are days when we are even able to double the capital in a single day, because options provide you that capability to make money easily. Our stop loss, if any, are small and targets are large. You can connect with us on the phone number given on our website in the top portion, and can even send us a hello in WhatsApp and we will revert back to you. Thank you.